Hello friends, I am John Laspina. This is a brief video to teach you how to observe your body. If you eat a food and when you're finished eating that food, it stimulates more hunger, then that food probably stimulated a higher insulin response. Because when you are eating a lot of foods that don't have as much of an insulin response, you tend to be satiated, filled up, happy and satisfied. When you're eating a fatty ribeye, you're getting protein, but a lot of fat and some water, obviously. You get filled up. Your pancreas does not secrete as much insulin as it would if you're eating a pizza or a spaghetti dinner, obviously because of the pasta, because of the wheat, the gluten, the sugar. And when you eat a fatty ribeye, you're full, you don't think about having a dessert, you don't want any more for the rest of the day into the next day. But if you have pizza, if you have some spaghetti or lasagna, you are hungry hours later because that created a very large insulin response, because that pasta comes from grain and wheat, which turns into sugar, and your body's got to neutralize that, and your body's going up and down with the insulin and the glucagon, and you get hungry again. So you can use this little test with any food. Eat any food at all. If it creates more hunger, if it stimulates more desire to eat, you probably ate food that created more insulin in the system, and your body's going through that insulin roller coaster, sugar and insulin. So think about that. If you stick to just ketovore or carnivore or keto, you will have less of that roller coaster, you will be more satiated, and you will feel better. Have a wonderful day, everyone.